Hello you beautiful people, how is it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you, and it is a Box of Goth unboxing. Now, Box of Goth, if you don't know, is a monthly subscription box, and it is gothic goodies. Every month there is a different theme, and I have been purchasing Box of Goth I think since 2017, and over the course of the last 4 years I've got really friendly with the owner, and she is absolutely incredible and I just love her to bits, and we're hoping at some point in the near future we can actually meet up and be weird together, because I know we're going to get on like a house on fire. We get on so well online, and yeah, I purchase boxes whenever I can. She has sent me boxes in the past in PR, and because I love Box of Goth so much, I've worked with them before as well. I had my card went into the Sad Goth box, because I make greetings cards if you didn't know, and one of my cards went into a box, which was like a dream come true. But all of these ones are purchased, and I say all of these ones because I went a bit mad. I went on the website to order the Halloween box, because why would I not? But then there is other boxes, like previous boxes, that there's a few still knocking around that you can get hold of, and I was like, you know what, I need a treat. So I treated myself. Don't tell Ben. There's 3. I'm going to do one unboxing per video, otherwise they're going to be really long videos. But yeah, there was a few boxes that I thought, you know what, I wish I'd have bought that one when it was the monthly subscription box, but I didn't. If anything is still available, because I only bought these like a week ago, with my own money I purchased them. These are not PR, these are paid for. So we're going to jump in. They are all in this big box, and I'm just going to grab the first one. This, I'm not sure what this one is. So this one is the Strange and Unusual box. I will put it here, how much it is and if it's still available, and I'll link it down below. Obviously we have Lydia, so Strange and Unusual, we all love it. But yeah, on the back of this it tells you what's inside it. It looks like this. I am embracing my witchy side of my life. I have been drawn to witchcraft and Wicca since I was probably 8 or 9 years old. My mum can vouch, and I have always dabbled here and there, but I have decided that it is more of an urge now. I want to embrace it more, and I've got myself a little altar-y kind of area set up over here. If you can see, I've got like my little shelves and all my crystals and all my good stuff, and I'm sure there will be lots of things in these boxes that I can add to my area, but it is more of a kind of like a lifestyle, and I'm reading lots of books about Wicca and witchcraft, and yeah, so I want to share that more with you guys. So yeah, anyway, let's have a look. So we've got a little thing. All of the boxes are hand done and everything is wrapped individually, and it's an awesome box. There is quite a few knockoff Box of Goths knocking around at the moment. Oh, it's a crystal, and it's a black crystal. I don't know why I'm saying it. Oh, it's obsidian. I thought it was. I have an obsidian necklace here. Black obsidian is a powerful cleanser of the psychic smog created within your aura. It is a strong psychic protection stone. The stone has a powerful metaphysical properties that will help shield you against negativity, which is why I wear one. But this is a beautiful stone. I absolutely love that. That just makes me happy. Obsidian, I've got where's my little, I don't know why I'm singing everything today. I have a little crystal book. I shall tell you a little bit more about obsidian, because my brain doesn't hold all the information I would like it to, unless it's song lyrics, then I'm all over that shit. This is actually my birthstone. I'm November. Chakra zone is root, is self-reflection, growth and protection. Wear obsidian on a necklace to counter negativity towards you, which is why I wear it. Place small or pointed arrows of this stone in your workplace to ward off spiteful behaviour. Hold a stone in each hand when you feel as though you are torn between competing priorities in your life. Carry the stone with you while you're going through a healing process. It will offer the strength and patience needed to overcome challenges in life. So it's a really strong, powerful stone. If you don't believe in crystals, that's fine. It's something cute that you can put on the side. But if you do believe in it, then it's a really amazing stone. So I have got a little bowl here of salt. Ooh. I have some of my crystals in. I charge them in my salt, and then I also charge them outside on the full moon. But yeah, so that's that. I myself am strange and unusual. That's amazing. I'm just going to see if there is so this is a Mia Moo strange and unusual tin sign. If I can link any of the Instagrams or any of the websites that make these goodies, I will link them. But that's super cute. Next I've got a bath bomb. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells so good. A strange and unusual bath bomb. No idea what the smell is. I really like it. It's a smell I've smelled before, but I can't place it. I am absolutely crap. It says sweet almond oil, but it doesn't smell like almond. It smells like something else. It says ram's bottom soap. Bottom. It smells amazing. I really, really like the smell of that. And that's like a sort of looks like dark purple and green bath bomb. Love that. Next we have some lashes. Foam ink lashes to slay my enemies. Look at those fuckers. So pretty. I've recently discovered that I can only wear fake eyelashes when I wear my contact lenses, because as long as they touch on my glasses and there's just lots of blinking and weirdness. Those lashes are just foam ink lashes to slay my enemies. I don't know who makes those. They might just be a Box of Goth official, because they have the Box of Goth logo on them. Then we've got a Lydia necklace, which is amazing. Look at that. Lydia Dietz silhouette necklace. Look at her hair. Amazing. Halloween one year I want to do Miss Argentina from Beetlejuice, because it's incredible. Oh my god. We've got on Wednesdays we wear black. We have a Wednesday Addams necklace. I love the silhouette necklaces. Look at that. That's just fucking awesome. Love that. My little girls are 5 and 6 and they recently watched the original Addams Family. First I made them watch the cartoon Addams Family and they loved it. And then I got them to watch the original Addams Family. Not the original one, but the one with Christina Ricci, and they loved that. And then they watched, oh my god! And then they watched Hocus Pocus and they loved that as well. This is so cool, look. It's Lydia and Wednesday. That's amazing. Who drew that? Is there a... Wednesday and Lydia mugshot Polaroid. That's amazing. That is so cool. And then we've got a pin that says I myself am strange and unusual. I need to get like a little bit of fabric, and then I've got so many cool pins from Box of Goth and I need to put them up. And then I've got a patch that says we are the weirdos, mister, and if you don't know the reference to that, you need to pop yourself into the nearest bin and go and educate yourself. But yeah, one of the greatest films of all time, and no, I will not be watching the remake of it. That can go and fuck itself with a rusty fish. Yes, and then the last thing is a scroll. And this is the this is a big version, a big print that's going in a frame of the Lydia and Wednesday mugshot. Love that. So I am older than both of them. Lydia is the 23rd of October 1988 and Wednesday Addams is 28/10/91. I love it. I love that they have Box of Goth tattoos on them as well. That's so cool. So yeah, that was the Strange and Unusual box. I say it all the time, but you know what I'm going to say. It's my favourite one. I love that. It's the, to be fair, it's anything with Wednesday Addams makes me happy, and the fact that it has obsidian in it is even better. Yeah, let me know what you think. This one is still available to buy if you want to. I will link it down below, and I will leave my discount code, which can get you a little bit of money off. But yeah, Strange and Unusual. Let's get the next one done.